You must now follow the regulations of the examination. Only material listed on the question paper is allowed in the exam room. You must not have or near you any other material. Check your pockets now. Check for things such as notes, books, papers, iPods, mobile phones and smartwatches. If you have any unauthorized items in your possession, you must hand them into the invigilator now. Failure to do so may lead to disqualification. If you are wearing a watch, remove it and place it on your desk. For examinations, where books are allowed, check that no notes or papers have accidentally been left inside any book you are allowed in the examination room, and you have the correct edition of the allowed book or text. For examinations, when a calculator is allowed, make sure that the lid, case or cover of your calculator does not have any printed formulas or instructions, and that you have cleared everything from its memory. Check that you have been given the correct paper. Check the subject, unit, component and tier. Fill in all details needed on your answer booklet or question paper in black ink. Make sure you fill these details in on any additional sheets that you may use. This instruction will now pause to allow time for you to fill in your details. Read the instructions on the front of the question paper. Check you have all the materials you need for the exam. These instructions will now be paused to allow time for any queries and any other notices. Remember, you must write clearly and in black ink. You may use a pencil for drawings and rough notes. You must write in the designated sections of the answer booklet. You must write all rough work in your answer book and neatly cross it through with a single line. For multiple choice papers, you must do any rough work in the question booklet. You must not use correcting pens, fluid or tapes, erasable pens and blotting paper. You must not use highlighters or gel pens in your answers. You must not communicate in any way with, ask for help from or give help to another candidate while you are in this examination room. You should put up your hand to attract the invigilator's attention. If the fire alarm sounds, please stay seated and wait for instructions from the invigilator. These instructions will now be stopped and you will be told when to begin and how much time you have for the examination.